Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So last time's makeup was a glam take on this year's official color, and I thought, let's make very Peri a little dewy. I used the exact same products and the exact same brushes to make the comparison fair. So let's see. Which look is your favorite? First, I'm moisturizing and priming my face before buffing on foundation. I'm applying concealer to my high points and covering any blemishes. The look is dewy, so I'm just pressing setting powder on my contour areas and under eyes. Next, I'm filling in my brows and applying brow gel. I'm then using concealer and a small pointed brush to clean up the edges. For eyes, I'm first patting on a pink violet color to the inner half of my eyelids, halfway between my brows and lash lines. I'm then patting on a periwinkle color to the outer half of my eyelids and slightly tapering it out. I'm shadowing in my crease with the neutral beige color before applying a purple liquid eyeshadow all across my eyelids. I'm then topping it off with blue and purple glitter. With the neutral beige, I'm starting to shade my under eyes and then stamping it out with the cool brown color. This is called Eyeshadow, and it creates a young, cutesy look perfect for this dewy makeup. To make the Eyeshadow pop, I'm doing a mini cut crease with concealer and then brushing on a chrome loose powder. I'm using the same powder on the inner corners of my eyes and brow bone. I'm then using the cool brown color to extend my upper lash lines. I'm first applying mascara and then applying false lashes to just the outer half of my lash lines for a subtle, lifted look. Next, I'm contouring my face with the neutral beige color before chiseling out my cheekbones, temples, and jawline with the cool brown color. To get that dewy finish, I'm applying a sheer pink lipstick high along my cheekbones and blending it in with my fingers. I'm then blending in a baby pink blush to just the apples of my cheeks. I'm also slightly brushing the tip of my nose and chin before using the neutral beige to contour my nose bridge. I'm then highlighting my forehead, nose, cupid's bow, chin, and cheekbones with the chrome loose powder. I'm using a brown lip pencil to line the inner half of my lips before applying the sheer pink lipstick. I'm then topping it off with a pink lip gloss. And that's it! I hope you liked this video and subscribe for more content. Please also leave any thoughts or suggestions for more makeup looks in the comments below. So tell me, which look do you like best?